You can now add animated text or graphic elements to your site with scrolling blocks. To add a scrolling block, edit a page and select an insert point. Then choose Scrolling Block from the block library. From here, you can add text or emojis in the Content tab, sticking with just one message or layering several. You can also add a link to your scrolling block to direct users to another page when clicked. On the Design tab, you can adjust elements like wave intensity, text style and size, direction, or speed. You can customize your scrolling text further by pausing the animation on hover, fading the edges, modifying the item spacing, or even adding multiple scrolling blocks next to each other. Please let us know if you have any other questions. We're always here to help.